Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Check iOS version and available storage because updates in space affect Face ID performance. Once done, clean the TrueDepth camera area gently with a lint-free cloth and remove any case or screen protector that might block sensors. Now restart your iPhone XS Max. After reboot, open settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode, and toggle Face ID off then on to force a fresh session. This clears simple software hiccups and prepares the camera for a new enrollment. You now re-enroll Face ID with deliberate technique. Hold the phone about 10 to 20 inches from your face, upright in normal portrait orientation, because distance and angle matter for the TrueDepth array. When prompted, move your head slowly in a complete circle so the sensor maps all face contours. Repeat both required scans to capture variations and natural expressions. Make sure lighting is even. Ambient indoor light works best, so the system learns depth and texture accurately instead of misreading shadows or glare. You finish by testing Face ID in real scenarios. Try different angles, sitting versus standing, and with or without glasses. Also test in low light. If problems continue, reset Face ID and set it up as new to rule out corrupted data. This often fixes persistent software issues. Finally, if you still see failures or errors like Face ID has been disabled, make sure to book Apple Diagnostics. TrueDepth components are delicate, and hardware repairs generally require authorized service to restore reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.